Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV. The big focus on our show, a massive controversy brewing over the second phase of the special intensive revision of voters list, which is underway in 12 states. Multiple deaths of booth level officers is being reported in the past few days from various states, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, West Bengal and even Kerala. In some cases, BLOs have reportedly even died by suicide, citing work pressure, while there are also reports of some dying due to heart attacks, and then their families are claiming that they were under immense stress. Now, opposition parties like the Trinamool Congress and Samajwadi Party have hit out over this, and it is said to be a massive flashpoint during this winter session of Parliament as it gets underway. So far, the Election Commission has not commented on this issue, on this controversy, either officially or unofficially. So that's the big focus of the show today. We're going to take a look at this massive showdown that has exploded over the deaths of the BLOs. Now let's take a look at some of the developments of today. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi took up the issue with a hard-hitting post over the alleged suicides of the booth level officers due to intense work. And now he says it's due to intense work and pressure, and termed the exercise an imposed oppression. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha further said that the SIR is a deliberate ploy to harass the citizens of the country. Rahul Gandhi wrote in this post, under the guise of SIR, chaos has been unleashed across the country. The result, in 3 weeks, 16 BLOs have lost their lives. Now, this is a news article that he has posted. NDTV cannot, independently verify the claims. He says heart attacks, stress, suicides, SIR is no reform. It's an imposed tyranny. He also said that if the intent were pure, the list would be digital, searchable and machine readable, and that the Election Commission of India would take adequate time to focus on transparency and accountability instead of blindly pushing work in a 30-day frenzy. Remember, the second phase of the SIR process began on the 4th of November and it ends on the 4th of December. So that time is coming close. All right, so meanwhile, the deaths due to SIR-related work stress has led to a heated war of words between Mamata Banerjee and the BJP. Remember, in West Bengal, it has been a big focus of the Trinamool Congress. And after a booth-level officer, Nadia, died by suicide with her letter alleging extreme administrative pressure as the reason behind her taking her life, the Bengal Chief Minister expressed shock at the death of the BLO, questioning how many more lives would be lost to the SIR exercise. Remember, this is an issue she has hit out over again and again. Now, the BJP was quick to respond and hit back at the Bengal Chief Minister, claiming that she's lying, that she's twisting facts, saying that women and men of Bengal want SIR. Also, the BJP questioned Mamata Banerjee over the lack of payment to the BLOs. Let's just listen into some of the statements that have been made in West Bengal.
BLO ডিউটিতে মানসিক চাপে ছিলেন। কিরকম চাপ বলতে সেটা তো আমাদের সঙ্গে শেয়ার করতো না। উনি বলতো যে আমি চাকরি ছেড়ে দেবো, আমি চাকরি করবো না।
আচ্ছা, উনি কখন আত্মহত্যা করেন?
ভোরের দিকেই হবে ওটা।
মানে কিভাবে জানতে পারলেন বিষয়?
আমরা জানতে পারলাম, আমার দাদা আমাকে ফোন করলো যে ভাই বৌদি আর নেই।
जो रिस्पेक्टेड लेडी BLO सुसाइड किया है, अब पढ़िए उसका खत को, क्या पैथेटिक सिचुएशन है। एक तो ये नेशनल इलेक्शन कमीशन, उसको लॉजिस्टिकल सपोर्ट ठीक नहीं है, ठीक से फॉर्म सप्लाई नहीं था, फॉर्म के ऊपर वो नेम एंड फोन नंबर को लिख दे रहे हैं, दिन रात वहां पर फोन आ रहे हैं, सब लोग इक्वली डिजिटली इक्विप नहीं है, वो अपलोड करना, नेट का प्रॉब्लम, सर्वर का प्रॉब्लम, इलेक्शन कमीशन का ऐप का प्रॉब्लम। मोस्ट अनफॉर्चुनेट, हमारा चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी स्ट्रांगली कंडेम किया, अपोज किया इस सिस्टम को, और भाजपा यहां पर जो स्टेटमेंट कर रहा है, ये मौत के ऊपर, उनका फैमिली के ऊपर वो इंसल्ट कर रहा है।
इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, सच में उन्होंने क्या सुसाइड नोट लिखा है क्या? आपके पास जानकारी है कि उसने ही लिखा है? दूसरा सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन ये है, 12 राज्यों में SIR हो रहा है, कहीं पे सुसाइड नहीं हुआ, बंगाल में क्यों हो रहा है? तो SIR तो हर जगह में हो रहा है, तो SIR में तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बंगाल में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए लोग सुसाइड कर रहे हैं।
इसमें जिन्होंने जिनका सुसाइड नोट बता रहे, उनके हाथ में 4 उंगलियां नहीं था। तो आप बताइए, जिनके हाथों में उंगलियां नहीं है और वो ज्यादा मतलब ये भी थे, उनको पढ़ाई लिखाई ज्यादा ज्ञान नहीं था, तो वो कैसे लिख लिए? बाएं हाथ से। और वहां पर एक भी शब्द नहीं था कि SIR के चलते हमने आत्महत्या किया है। इसीलिए अब सजा धजा के तो नहीं कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये सरकार SIR बंद कराने के चक्कर में कुछ भी कर सकती है, कुछ हद तक भी गिर सकती है। तो एक तो उनका पोस्टमार्टम होना चाहिए सेंट्रल फैसिलिटी से, और उनका जो सुसाइड नोट है उसका भी बाकायदा फॉरेंसिक जांच होना चाहिए।
All right, so a big controversy there in West Bengal. Indeed, now, in different parts of the country as well, and it's expected to be an issue raised during the winter session of Parliament. But to talk more about the controversy in West Bengal, we're now joined by Meeta Chakrabarti, spokesperson of the Congress Party, Priyanka Tibrewal, spokesperson of the BJP, Nilanjan Das, political analyst, and Mohammad Amin, a former joint director of the Election Commission of India. Thank you all for joining us on the program. And first and foremost, to you, Priyanka Tibrewal, your comments on the number of deaths that have been reported. There are these suicides that are being claimed due to the SIR process. And don't you think there needs to be some sort of a look at this issue? What is it that's driving people to suicide?
Or every death is very, very sorrowful, and we stand with the families of those who have lost their lives. But now again, I would come back to this and state that, see, this is going on in many other states. We have recently seen that it has been done successfully in Bihar. We haven't heard of any suicide, we haven't heard of any death there, nor did we hear about any kind of violence, whether it was pre-poll or post-poll. But the nature of Bengal, specifically I mentioned Bengal, is that where this kind of violence, these kind of deaths and murders are very common. Now again I say that there has to be an investigation into this, that how come it is only that people are dying in Bengal. Now number of cases initially which the Trinamool Congress was saying, that is a suicide, we have come to know that the person about whom they were speaking and said that, he has written a suicide note, that person didn't have 4 fingers on his right hand. And the family said that he was not literate enough to write a suicide note. But there is no investigation in that. So that is a matter of concern. Secondly, we see that they are shedding crocodile tears. But the question remains that when the state government was asked to make a payment of 18,000 to these BLOs, the proposal is still stuck with the finance department of the state. They haven't done anything about it. Forget the DRS allowance which they are supposed to give to the employees, which has not been paid from years. Secondly, now a data entry operator was supposed to be provided to these BLOs, so to ease out their workload which was on them, the work pressure. Although we have seen that in Bihar, 1,000 such data entry operators were provided. But here in Bengal, they haven't done anything about it, nor are they speaking about it. They do not have any intention.
You admit that there is pressure. You admit that there is pressure. If they don't have these data entry technicians, clearly they're not, technically literate enough to manage this pressure. And it's not just in West Bengal, as you saw at the start of the bulletin. I spoke about how there have been deaths in Madhya Pradesh, in Gujarat as well, in where the person actually left a note, in Kerala as well, and in Rajasthan. Yes, go ahead.
Let me complete. It is a legitimate legal procedure which is in the favor of the nation and it has to be done. So when we talk about a federal structure in our state, we say that, all these agencies, whether it is the Election Commission, each and every state should participate in the proceedings and rather help or lend a hand so that this process can be completed peacefully. In Bihar also, 1,000 such data entry operators were provided by the government. So what is the pain here which the government is having here in Bengal? Specifically, it is like they are sitting on a giant wheel and screaming that stop SIR, stop SIR.
Okay, Nilanjan Das, your comments here with the BJP claiming that not enough help is being provided to these BLOs and crocodile tears are being shed by the Trinamool Congress.
No, I'm quite ashamed that the BJP spokesperson is speaking, she is giving out wrong statements. She's lying on national television. She is saying that data entry operators ought to have been given by the state government. But wherever some videos have actually gone ahead to give such support to the BLOs, I think the Chief Electoral Officer's office in West Bengal, they have given a notice that such EROs, there should be show cause notices served against such EROs. The Election Commission is not allowing any data entry operators to be given as a support, as assistants to these BLOs. Almost 16 BLOs have died across India. There have been deaths, as you rightly said, in Gujarat also. So what is Priyanka ji going to tell about that? So whatever she is saying, she is, and we know that BJP is heartless. They don't care about the lives of the people of Bengal. So they can go ahead and do all these things. But our party is committed to the fact that there will be no deletion of any genuine voters. And we understand that this is quite a difficult job for all the BLOs. The BLOs, they are not well equipped. They are government employees at different levels. Some are municipal workers, some are para teachers and all those. So how can they know all the households? How can they go to every household? Some of them are not, they don't have that technical know-how of how to upload certain things in the BLO app. So this is leading to tremendous pressure on them. There is also political pressure from the BJP. The BJP leaders in West Bengal, they are threatening to send the BLOs to jail. So under these circumstances, it's quite, it's a pathetic situation that BLOs are committing suicide. And there has been deaths of other also, not just BLO. There have been deaths of other people, of citizens.
All right, Neeta Chakrabarti, what is the Congress's stand on this? We know that Trinamool Congress is asking for a halt to the SIR exercise. Today, Rahul Gandhi also talking about the immense pressure, this mammoth exercise, just 30 days to complete it. What is the Congress's demand?
Okay, West Bengal Congress has already gone to the Supreme Court asking for extension of timeline. See, this is not the first time SIR has happened in independent India. We are not against SIR, but we are definitely against politically motivated SIR. We are definitely against ECI acting as a frontal cell and a department of BJP. Now, did the ECI not know that West Bengal is going to have assembly elections by May 2026? Why did the ECI wait till November of 2025 to start the process of ECI? Start the process of SIR? A process of SIR had taken earlier several months and years sometimes to get completed. But now the entire process is you expect it to be completed in a state as large, as densely populated as West Bengal in a period of just 2 months. What kind of pressure are you creating on the BLOs? And what kind of training have you imparted? Have you just started this process without giving any proper training, without any proper planning? And now you are going to have a timeline where in February first week, the final voter list will be out. And the booth level agents of different political organizations will not even have enough time to validate the voter list, as whether you still have fake and duplicate voters with Brazilian model pictures, or how many valid voters had not found their name in the voter list. And by March 2026, you will declare the elections. So what is it that the ECI is trying to achieve? And why this time pressure? They all knew that by May 2026, West Bengal is going to have state assembly elections. So why did they wait till November?
All right, I want to get in Mr. Amin here. Let's go across and let our viewers actually understand what we are talking about when we say special intensive revision of voters list, BLOs, there's data entry also involved. What are we all talking about? It's a 30-day, process that is taking place. The deadline, 4th of December. Mr. Amin, as a former ECI official, how do you assess this current handling of the BLO workload? Explain to our viewers what this is all about and why is it such a stressful exercise for these, officials on the ground, the booth level officers?
I can say only from the Election Commission is working their own style and functioning, and always the BLOs have the under pressure, say like that. Not BLOs only, every officer has when the Election Commission start their working, always they are in the under pressure. So this is the psychological pressure. They are not given any special attention for that. Just this is a routine. I'm going to tell you, this is a routine exercise as we have the voter list verification, SIR. So in this SIR, we have given the proper time for every voter for explanation for everything. We have given the form. I'm going to clear it one point. Total, we have the 12 states and 51 crores of the voter we inducted. Again, all the voter lists are the freeze from the Election Commission side. So what happened? They told everyone in the media and everywhere you can find the news that 70% whose voters are the 2002, 3 and 4, they were earlier the voter, the forms is generated and given to for their voter verification, only for face verification, means photo verification and signatures, that's all. And 30% are voter list are that, there's a new induction and they migrated and the death, they are shifted permanently. So that 30% are covered on that. So, and 1 month is enough for everything. And
so you think 1 month is enough for this exercise to be done? Because clearly there's a lot of pressure. Recently there was the news that administration in Noida and Ghaziabad, they've ordered FIRs be filed against the BLOs. 57 BLOs, they've said FIRs should be filed for non-compliance because they've not been able to complete what they're supposed to do, uploading this data. Clearly a lot of pressure all across, just the BLOs on the ground and then higher up officials as well to complete this by the 4th of December.
Actually, as per the election rules, every voter has to be inducted as a voter. They are franchised, and due to the Article 324 and 25, they must be the voters. Of Indian voters must be enrolled by the Election Commission of India for their franchise of the elections. So in election process, this is the enough time, and after that we have the draft list also. And after draft list, we are again publishing the final list. So what is the problem there? I don't know why they have hue and cry. I don't know why. And this vote, I'm telling you about the BLOs. BLOs are having unnecessary pressure. They're simple work. If they can go in the morning, 7 o'clock and come back their home 10 o'clock, distribute the form. And the evening they can collect it. Unnecessary, they are having whole day round here and there. Unnecessary. So they know the working and the already training is there, their phone number is there. For everything, assistance are given by the Election Commission to every BLO.
All right, let me take this to Nilanjan Das.
We are paying our NM also, and they are not doing another duty. Like if they are the teachers, they are not going to the schools. They are going for the work of the Election Commission voter list. And what is this? BLO means booth level officer. Surroundings, they live there, the surroundings they can do it, nearby. They know every houses and they know everyone by faces.
All right, let me go across to Nilanjan Das on this. Mr. Amin, a former, official of the Election Commission there, senior official there, claiming that, he doesn't understand why there's this, hue and cry over too much pressure on the BLOs, saying that it shouldn't be like this, and also that this is something that has to be done. It is, a cleansing of the voters list, and that, it should be done, and that 30 days is enough time.
No, what Mr. Amin said, it clearly shows how the Election Commission of India is divorced from the reality. They don't understand what the BLOs are going through. They don't understand that the BLOs may not know every household in his or her colony. He has to understand that. There is no, they may not have the technical know-how of handling the BLO app. All these things were never done before. In 2002, when the last SIR took place in Bengal, no citizenship check was done. Just forms were given to the head of the family and it was just taken back. And it took almost a year to complete the entire exercise. And I don't understand how he can just say so nonchalantly that they know all the work, this is the routine work. This is happening after, 25 years. You have to understand. So they do not have this knowledge, and this is extremely difficult. Even the agents of the party, they know better. They are actually helping. And in Bengal, I can say that Trinamool Congress booth level agents, they are actually assisting the BLOs at every level. But still there is political pressure from the BJP in our state. Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari is going out and threatening the BLOs that if you cannot complete the work according to our terms, as we are saying, then you will be landing in jail. So this is how the situation is. Many people have died. Almost there has been 20 suicides, 3 suicidal attempts. Many BLOs have died, and BLOs are dying across India. And I think the EC is living in some la-la land. They
All
have
right, I
to,
will come back to Mr.
tell the
Amin,
public,
for
they
more
have
on
to
that. But
understand what's
Priyanka
happening on the ground.
Tibrewal, your response to what is being said by Nilanjan Das about threats and pressure on BLOs. Also, an allegation has been made that not enough training was done, that that the Election Commission is trying to get
Only
this
one
done
day training,
before
one
West
day.
Bengal
I'll place 3
elections.
points in front of you. I'll put it in 3 points in front of you.
Sure.
It is all misrepresentation of fact. See, Election Commission of India has issued a guideline where it has said that no contractual staff are allowed to participate or to replace BLOs. But they did not say that state cannot ask for data entry operators or give data entry operators for assistance. Although state has refused, state is not going to give. They are not giving 18,000 as a salary which they were supposed to give to the BLOs. Not just that.
Why
Now
is
he
the
was
central
talking about
government
some
not giving?
pressure.
This has been
He
done
was talking about
unilaterally
some
by the central
pressure. Now I would tell you
Nilanjan
what
Das,
is the
please
pressure.
wait a minute. Let
The
her reply.
pressure-
Yes.
The pressure is from the administration of the state government here. That initially started when their ministers openly, on an open platform, they were saying that if BLOs come, tie them on trees. This has been said by one of their ministers, Bobby Hakeem. This is what Trinamool had said. Now, what is exactly happening? BLO is going to do their work. Now, this Trinamool Congress leaders in different platforms and districts are threatening these BLOs that this name has to be there in the list, this cannot be cancelled. They are not giving them an independent hand to work independently. That is the pressure, that is the mental trauma they are going through.
But so Priyanka Tibrewal, don't you think that given, India is so complex and West Bengal so complex that this 30 days perhaps is not enough, that, they haven't been trained, they're under pressure, they're facing threats from all sides clearly.
I said I would explain it in 3 points. I've just finished with 1.
Okay.
Now the second point. I heard the Congress spokesperson. She was saying that why in such a less time. So the biggest example here in front of us is in the NDA ruled Bihar, the same SIR happened with same timeline with 0 suicides. This I have mentioned. Now they say that this is BJP's ploy to undermine the voters. Then what do you mean to say, madam? So many times when SIR took place during the Congress government, was it a ploy by them then? Not just that. Thirdly, she said that, it was done in a period of 2 years. It was done in a period of 2 years when it was a pan-India exercise. This is an exercise which is taking place state by state. And I think under Article 324, Election Commission is well equipped and it knows what it has to do, and it is also supposed to decide about the time limit and the timeline. If any grievance, if anybody for that matter, if any opposition or any party is having any grievance, courts are open. Please go to the court and explain it to them that why suicides are only taking place and it is being opposed by the opposition. And it can peacefully take place in Bihar. Why? Why is it happening?
Right, Meeta Chakrabarti, this response, because again and again we're told that, the SIR process took place in Bihar ahead of elections. There were no such suicides or anything reported there. Yes, there were various controversies and there was, a lot of politics over it. But yes, the fact is that it did get done, and why isn't 30 days enough?
First of all, it is a misinformation that the suicides has only happened in West Bengal. You just now gave a report of a suicide happening in Gujarat, which is not a state that is being governed by opposition.
Yes, that I clarified earlier.
Suicide cases reported in Rajasthan, in Kerala, and I believe in Madhya Pradesh as well. Please correct me if my
Madhya Pradesh was a death due to heart attack, which the families are claiming was due to stress. So we have not included that in our number of deaths.
So there have been reports of death due to excessive work stress from other states as well, and most of the states are governed by BJP governments. So first of all, stop spreading this misinformation that the suicides are only happening in West Bengal, because it's not factually correct. Number two, when you have someone like Rinku Taraftar clearly stating in her suicidal note, do you not need that to be investigated?
We need investigation, and that investigation has to be done by an independent agency. I'm not interrupting. I'm just saying that we need investigation. I'm with you.
Okay, go ahead. Let her make her point.
Investigation. When you have a tribal lady called Shanti Moni in Jalpaiguri who has also committed suicide, saying that it is because of excessive work stress, you have to understand that this process is taking place after a period of 23 years. Technology has changed.
We require investigation in this. We do not know whether it was a suicide or not.
We have not given adequate training to the BLOs. They are not technically well equipped to handle this application and handle this process. The state
Ms.
government
Geeta,
is
if you could
also
share with us what was the
so you have
training
given them
process
such a short
that-
timeline. Why did you wait?
Ms.
Why did
Geeta,
the
please
ECI wait till
explain what
November
was
of
the training
2025 to
process
start the
used in 82,
process?
86,
They could have
All right.
started the process a long time
65,
back.
Please make,
Now,
let the
some of
person
them-
make their point without interrupting. We need to hear what is being said. This is a very, very serious issue.
It is a very serious issue. Now they will come up with an erroneous voter list, and we will have an erroneous electoral process in West Bengal because they had. Why did they have to wait till November 2025? My simple query: they all knew that this election.
All right, let me go across to Mr. Amin on that. Mr. Amin, your response to that, when you knew that you wanted to do this for Bengal, why did the Election Commission wait till November to announce this and then have this, 30 days, 4th of December is the deadline. In fact, in Tamil Nadu, there were protests, so the government told them we'll extend the deadline to call off those protests, and then they told them, no, the deadline is not being extended. So clearly, it's across India that this is a big issue.
Actually, this is the second phase. First phase we have started in the Bihar.
First was
I'm going to
Bihar, of
mention
course,
you-
yes.
First, I'm going to mention you for your audience and your persons and your debaters also, they can understand. The first time the Election Commission of India has given the assistance to the BLOs, 4 lakh in the Bihar, due to the shortage of the time. That's why we have given the unpaid workers there for work to assist the BLOs, and all parties, stakeholders have their say that they have, every party has the one BLA, both level assistant. They depute there, so they can see there any discrepancies there or any problem is there. They can verify and they can add and they can delete everything in the hands of their. They can object anything at that time. If any problem is there, they can ask to the AERO. A BRO can complain by the AERO, and a BRO or AERO is doing anything wrong, that goes to the district collector. If anything wrong, I'm going to tell you, it's the same thing happened in the UP. We have given 1.50 lakh. I mean 1.50 lakh. We have given the booth level assistance to the BLOs, and same thing happened in the. I'm going to clear it one thing. Before this SIR, might be you heard about the Mamata Banerjee. We have suspended 4 officers of West Bengal. That was the routine exercise. So at that time they found guilty. So we have suspended 4 officers. The Chief Secretary has come out with the 2 officers that they are the very good officers. Why? The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was mentioning that they are the 2
All
officers.
right, well, I'm so sorry. We'll have to leave it there. I'll have to wrap this discussion. I have to wrap this discussion now, but clearly this is an ongoing controversy, and at the winter session of Parliament too, this is going to be raised as more and more opposition, leaders are raising this issue about the number of deaths of BLO's booth level officers being reported during the SIR exercise. In fact, more breaking news coming in on the special intensive revision of voters list. Now a war of words with the BJP. Congress's Digvijay Singh has hit out over the SIR 2.0. Remember, this is the second phase of the SIR that is underway across 12 states. The Congress saying the BJP is putting pressure on the booth level officers. The Bengal leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, has however slammed the Trinamool Congress over this entire SIR row, which has been raised again and again by Mamata Banerjee. Suvendu Adhikari saying SIR will happen in Bengal and that Mamata Banerjee will lose. Let's listen in to these latest comments coming in on the SIR process and pressure on BLOs.
मौत नहीं हुई है, आत्महत्या हुई है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग दबाव डाल रहे हैं और उसमें मजबूरी में बंगाल के तो एक उसने वीडियो उसका पूरा लिखित में दिया, उसने सुसाइड। मौत नहीं हुई है, आत्महत्या हुई है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग दबाव डाल रहे हैं और उसमें मजबूरी में बंगाल के तो एक उसने वीडियो उसका पूरा लिखित में दिया, उसने सुसाइड नोट पे।
कम्युनल भड़काने के लिए ये सब कर रहा है। चुनाव आ रहा है, मुस्लिम वोट, बेरोजगारी और विकास नहीं हुआ, गरीब मुसलमान टीएमसी से छूट रहा है, इसलिए फिर जैसे 2021 में सीए को एनआरसी बता के सब मुसलमान को एक किया था, इस बार इस बाबरी मस्जिद बनाने का बाद बोल के ये भड़काने का काम करने का कोशिश कर रहा है।